click and view and edit. Okay. All right, moving on. This was our task. For this one, it's a little bit more straightforward. You have to mark this as ready before you leave. As you can see, there are requirements that you have to set up, right? So we have to say a title. We have to put a type. We have to assign it to somebody. And you have to set a priority. Tasks are pretty straightforward. We talked about it before, but tasks, just as a quick reminder, are to-dos, right? This is how we say, hey, Sergio, don't forget to call Val, right? Val, don't forget to document on Christopher's contact record. Christopher, don't forget to send Phil the sales invoice, so on and so forth, right? We can make those have different types based off the action that we want to do. Most of the time, we suggest using other. That gives you that flexibility in case you need to, shift or change. The assign to, this part's going to be important. If this is like a sales campaign where we typically assign ownership inside of it, these checkboxes make our life a heck of a lot easier. But if this is more of like an escalation or a follow-up campaign, we don't necessarily want to assign it to the context owner as maybe we do a specific person on the team, right? Then finally, priority. You'll see 3 different priority levels here: critical, essential, non-essential. Critical, we want to leave for our fires, the really angry people, the upset people, right? Because if we make everything critical, nothing's critical, right? So essential is going to be the place where most of you are going to be spending most of your time, right? This is an essential part of my job, my job. I know that, you know that. Essential, right? Very limited times do we do non-essential. This is more for like asks, right, opposed to wants or needs. So, for example, let's say uh, Bill was talking to me about selling me his truck. The non-essential task would be to ask me if I want the underspray for my truck. The essential would be to get my financing information. Make sense? It's kind of that auxiliary stuff. Once you're all good with your task, it's all pretty, you like it, you mark it as ready up here, and in tasks, you can use the back button. There isn't a forward way with tasks like there is for emails. It's really specifically emails that you just have to worry about that going forward with, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and just delete these ones for brevity. Once all of your sequences, once all of your elements inside of your sequence is ready, you have to mark the sequence is ready.